Hi, this is Sanjay Parihar. I'm a technologist. I'm at Houston, and as we always talk about, that we're going to bring some interesting section and sectors from hospitality as such. So here we are with Sonali and Amardeep. Welcome to our show, Sonali and
Hi,
Amardeep.
hi
Thank you.
Sanjay, thank you.
Great. And as we know that you are founder of Encourage by Sonali, a homestay, right? And that journey is very interesting as such. So to begin with, tell us the location and how did you start the homestay as such? Your little bit journey on your journey and inspiration as such.
Basically, I have worked with a hotel named Umaid Bhavan Palace, Jodhpur, which is quite a renowned place for most of the people in India. And then I got married and shifted here to Punjab, and I was always still could not get over with my hotel and my tourism thing. We've been really fond of traveling as such, and we really wanted to experience such kind of places because we really enjoy traveling and homestays. And whenever we travel abroad, we prefer using homestays and everything. So this is how we got engaged. And Kasoli is a very close destination for where we live, as well as very close to our heart. It's one of our favorite destinations to travel to. So we preferred this location, which is Kasoli in Himachal Pradesh, and the name is the Anchorage by Sonali, as you say. We started this homestay. We started working with this homestay around in June 2019. Yeah.
Great.
So it's basically a two-bedroom villa home. It's a very cozy place with a lot of outdoor sitting area, and as well as a big indoor place, and in a very luxurious way at the same time, giving you very homely feeling away from your home.
Great, great. And Ms. Sonali, so host is another very important factor. And when it comes to host, right, there's certain sector which basically comes to you, likes the whole setup, right? So could you tell more about what section of hosts are liking it more than the others, and what are they saying about your homestay as such?
We've been a very frequent traveler, and we most of the time we've used Airbnb to stay in different parts of the world, and it is just a way of paying back that we really give hosting a different experience to. We host guests in a different experience. We love to host travelers, and we enjoy meeting new people when we are traveling at the same time, and we host the travelers. So I think when it comes to the travelers and the reviews, basically, if you read our reviews on Airbnb or any different sites, you would come to know that we give an experience of stay in Himachal, which is very homely, and at the same time, which is very comfort. We give a lot of comfort and assistance to the people who are coming and staying in Kasoli.
Absolutely, that's fabulous, Rohit, isn't it?
Yeah, is it? In fact, like when a host is from the hospitality industry, definitely the guest is going to have a great experience there. And even like when I look at the homestays, any place is a very, very much different than hotels because it has got the very unique things to offer to the particular client. Maybe one bedroom, two bedroom, and we have to fit as per the requirement of the client. So here we'd like to understand what is the USP of your homestay and what are the amenities, facilities like the number of rooms, a washroom, lawn. I saw there's a good lawn is there, the kitchen thing. If you can share a little more details.
So basically, the property is in 550 square yards, so it's more than a canal area. But we have only two bedrooms, and that helps us in maintaining two big lawns, one in front and one in back also. Then we have a big kitchen terrace also, and property is pet friendly. So basically, people enjoy the open space when they book with us, and we have facilities like barbecue and bonfire also.
Wow.
And our cook is professional, and he lives on the property itself. So we have a la carte menu also. So, and the best part is the kitchen is inside the cottage, so all meals are freshly cooked inside the cottage in front of the guest also. So they feel very happy with that. The things are fresh, and especially the food is good, and that really adds up to the whole experience. So that really helps us.
So we have like an open kitchen with all kind of electronics like fridge, microwave, all the required stuff, because the family, when they come with kids and a number of bunch of people. For me, when I travel, it's stay and food for me. You know, I am a big foodie, so it's like for us, it is a good food and good stay, and that is what makes the most of the battle win of the traveling. So with the caretaker, he's a fabulous cook. You know, I would always recommend. I always tell my guests, you must try paneer butter masala, dal makhani. You know, these things are really good in our kitchen. And then we have a well-equipped, fully functional kitchen for guests to use it for their kids and stuff, for anything, the live cooking which is happening right in front of them, the fresh food they're getting. So this is how we have like within the premises, everything which is required is in the stay.
Yeah. Wow, definitely.
So Sanjay, so there's a
Yeah.
great thing available for many of the people who would like to come and stay in the homestay. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it gives totally a new experience, and like as we were talking earlier, you know, it's not so easily available in the big hotels or anywhere else. It's like a very unique, offering, which is not just available. Just a curious, and we have just a very quick discussion. What is your future plan about
Future plan is maybe another 1 year down the line, we will renovate the property. And right now it is 2-bedroom property, so we're gonna build another story and gonna add 3 more rooms. So that's the future plan for the property.
Amazing. That's great.
Yeah. And yeah, Sanjay. Now the last question, like who all can stay at your homestay? You must be having some house rule kind of things.
Basically, we are very flexible. Who can pay us well, they can stay. But obviously,
that makes sense.
Yeah. So we just expect the guests to be decent, and that's nothing else. There's no like unmarried people cannot show. So there's nothing like that. So we are very cool with that, but they should be decent. That's it. We have CCTV also on the property, not obviously inside the cottage, but outside. So that helps in securing the property also, and that helps for the security of the guests staying also.
So people basically who really want to get away from the hustle bustle of the city life, their apartments, and they want to sit, relax, and just soak in the sun, and see the kids playing, have their pets playing around, and the one who can just be easy, decent people.
I personally believe that, like I told you, I've been using Airbnb for 15 years. So once you start experiencing staying in a bigger place, like whenever we recently went to go also, so we booked a 3-bedroom cottage. So personally, now for holidays, I want bedroom, I want drawing room, I want kitchen, I want a big space. Even if you go to a 5-star, you're just taking a room, however big it is. So for me, I don't like that idea as of now. So that's what the experience is all about.
Yeah, same here. I'm frequent traveler to Arizona, and I did not like hotel. Then I moved to the full bedroom apartment, and that was amazing. It gives so comfort. Yeah. And when it is combined with the experience like yours, that would be something really like people want to stay longer, right? So that's amazing. So it's great conversation. Anything else you want to highlight in this conversation?
I think we almost covered everything. If you have questions, you can ask us.
We have most of the things which a hotel provides, but we are just not confined to a 12 by 15 room or 12 by 18 room, but we have all the facilities of a hotel, but then with add-on areas to relax, and you're not confined to one room. It's a entire homestay.
And you can play loud music till 4 a.m. also 5 a.m. as long as.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's the best part, and nobody will complain.
And you said it's pet friendly as well.
Absolutely.
Yes,
that's a big thing.
Yeah, that's a big thing. Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you very much, Amardeep Sonali. It was definitely great pleasure to have you in the show, and stay in touch.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Nice
bye-bye.
talking to you. Bye.
Thanks. Bye. Bye.
Bye.